about calling me crazy. You know you peeped that lady. Yeah. And when I turned and looked at you, you tried to play it off, but I could tell that you two were friends.
Hello and welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a long time since I uploaded a video. Today I'm going to be doing another lash tutorial in the Lilly lashes individuals. So I got these from Ulta Beauty. They were about $12 and some change. This is what they look like. So they are barely flare individuals. It says it's vegan and it's faux mink. They are double layered, not free, faux mink individual tapered lashes. They're supposed to add subtle volume and a gentle curl to help create your customized lash look. So let's see what it's given. If you've seen my other lash video, it's going to be the same concept. Put the glue on a piece of paper or whatever the case may be. I might put it on this pat. It's not even focused. So it's pretty much going to be the same concept as my last video. If you haven't seen it already, check it out. I probably won't be doing too much talking on this video just because it just makes it take... My damn battery died. I won't be talking in this video too much, and because it'll double the time, and I got shit to do today. So without further ado, I'm gonna jump into it. Also, I will be using... Where the fuck is it at? 1 second. Can't even find the shit now. So I forgot to get glue from Ulta when I bought the lashes, but thank God I had some Ardell glue in the house. So I will be using this. This is the Ardell Professional Lash Tight for individual lashes, and this is dark adhesive. And I will be using a tweezer. So let's get started. I'm gonna get this thing open somehow. So this is what the lashes look like when I take them out of the pack. And they have a slight curl to them. I don't know if it'll show. I don't know what letter of curl that is. And I really don't know what's supposed to be small, because it's supposed to be a mix of small and medium lashes in here, but I don't know. They didn't label what's what. So I don't know. It looks like... So it looks like the mediums are at the top. Don't mind my nails, y'all. These look so raggedy. But at the top 2 rows look like medium and the bottom 2 are small. What I'll do is I'm gonna put the mediums on the outsides and then the smalls in the inside. All right, let's get started. So I'm gonna take my glue and I'm gonna just pour a nice little amount onto the box. Then I'm gonna take my tweezer and I'm gonna pick off what I think is a medium. So it's actually like a set of clusters. It looks like a set of 3. I'm gonna put it in the camera so you can see. So it's like a cluster of 3. I don't know if it's picking up, if you can see that. Am I gonna have to get a piece of white paper or some shit? And I'll just drop the goddamn lash. Just took an L on a lash. Alright, let's try this again. Damn it, I keep dropping them. This is what it looks like. It's like a cluster of 3 lashes, if you can see that. So you want to hold it in the position in which you will apply. Caught them, got them. And I'm just gonna dip it into the glue. That's a bit much. And then I'm going to place the lash over top. Remember, do not place these lashes on the lash line, because if it touches your lid, that thing is going to be painful. And pretty much that's the process. So I'm done wrapping. Let's do it. And I'm just gonna go back and forth. So I have 3 on this side and 3 on this side. So far, so good. I've dropped one, so I lost one cluster. So be careful. God damn it, and I dropped it again. Alright, stop dropping shit and do the damn video. And my battery's about to die. Alright, back at it. Need some music in my ears. So I just realized something. I feel like the one in the middle is medium and the ones on the sides are small. Don't know if that's true or not, but that's what it's giving. I'm gonna come back when I got more on. These are nice, but I think I want to put some more on the ends. I think the inside is pretty good right now, but I think I want them a little bit darker in the corners. At least this eye. I don't know if it's just because of the light hitting that side. And I ain't even gonna lie to y'all, I started getting lazy. And putting them on like this. I'm gonna do a few more and I'm gonna come back. All right, so this is the finished result. I think it's pretty good. For all the time it took, I think I would rather just put on a strip. The glue, I think I said this in my last video, if this, you know what, I don't know if this was even the same glue, but this Ardell Lash Tight, it dries pretty hard, so I'm just gonna stop here. I was gonna make it a little bit thicker back in this area, but just for my own sanity and comfort, I'm gonna leave it where it is, and it is what it is. I mean, I think it looks pretty good. I feel like I always have to put on some eyebrows to really see the result. So let me do that and come right back. And this is the final result. Let me know what y'all think. I feel like I need a whole face of makeup now. As always, thanks for watching. Let me know what y'all think in the comments, and stay tuned for the next video. Peace out.